So hello guys and welcome to my video. So guys, from today we are going to learn HTML. So I will make series about HTML. You guys can learn easily from that, so make sure to subscribe our channel and hit that notification bell as well. So guys, okay, before learning HTML you must know HTML language. What is HTML language? So yeah, basically HTML language is a hypertext markup language which is used to make or build on websites. So if you know HTML, then you can build your own website. So basically this is not any hard language to understand. This is just basically a markup language, and there are tags for this language. There are lots of tags for this language. You must remember those tags and the right implementation, where to implement that tag. So I will show you that in my next videos, so in my future videos, how to use a tag for HTML and how to create a website. So yeah, today in this video I'm only going to show you where you can code HTML. So basically what you have to do is, and if you guys want to know further about HTML, then so I will put this link in the description below. You guys can check out this link and you guys can see here there are lots of things about HTML. There are lots of things, and there are lots of solutions about HTML, and there are lots of ways to create website. You guys can see here they use tag here, they give example as well. So, and guys, please sorry for my bad English. I'm not perfect in English, and this is my first tutorial on HTML or any coding language. So yeah, sorry, I'm pretty nervous today. So basically, okay, let's start let's start how we can code HTML. So yeah, this is the main question. Yes, so to code HTML you must need a PC or laptop with a minimum 2 cores, dual cores. So this is the minimum requirement. You must have your laptops or PC must have dual core to run code on that. So yeah, and you must have 4 GB RAM recommended. Okay, so where we are going to code? So we are going to code on this software called Sublime Text. So this is Sublime Text 3. So what you have to do is just download this text editor, Sublime Text 3. This name is Sublime Text 3, and if you type this in Google, then it will show you the website link at the top. Download Sublime Text 3. It will show you like that. So, and basically my internet speed is too slow, so sorry for inconvenience. Why I'm being nervous here. Sorry for that, guys. Okay, and yeah, there is sublimetext.com. This is the website from where you can download this Sublime Text. So yeah, you have to just click on this one, and it will redirect you to website. And yeah, just what further you have to do is download this text editor. It's only 10.4 MB or something like that. It's not too high, and yeah, these have too many functions that I will show you in my next video. It is very easy to use and simple to understand this. So okay, there is written Sublime Text, and my internet speed is slow as I mentioned earlier. It's taking time to load, but I don't think it will take time to load if you have a better internet connection. So you guys can see here, you can just download it for OS X. I don't know what is this. Yeah, Windows. It's also available for Windows and Windows 64-bit. If you have a 64-bit laptop or PC, you guys can just go for this one, and if you have Linux, and then you guys can just go for this one. So I think 90% you have Windows, so yeah, you must go for this one. And check your bit first. Okay, how to check your bit? There are lots of videos in this topic in YouTube, so you guys can just see. And yeah, you guys can see here it's downloading, and after downloading you have to just install it. I have already installed it, so I don't need to download this one. So yeah, I have just right here, and it will show like this if you have installed and downloaded it. So yeah, this was the first video of my channel, and this was the first tutorial on how we can code on HTML. So yeah, so this was the first video. So thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. Okay, I will see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye, and I will show you how we can code on HTML in my next video. So till then, bye bye.